Michael Jackson. Jackson 5. Jack in a box. Jack in. Jack inna. Jack inna. Jack inna. Should I mark it down? Jack in a box. Nina box. In a box. Jack in a box. Jack in, right? Jack and a box. Jack and a box. Jack in a box. Nina. 9. 9. How about none? E-I-E-I-O. Are they saying it's exchangeable? What is this about? That's not the picture at hand that I will show you. I'm going to write, show, tell, try and explain in layman terms and show it the way I saw it, the way I think I still see it, but somehow never comes across that I believe it when I'm explaining and trying to show somebody else. So when we have Jack in a box, okay, what we actually have is, here's a box, right? And jacks are usually like that, right? When you play jacks, it's usually like that. So I had jacks in a box. How many did I have in the box? How many jacks were there? So I had jacks, I had a ball. So I had XO. I was having a ball, the 12th letter and the 15th letter. I like to say the 15th letter is for time. O is for time. Okay, and I like the 24th letter X. Okay, is for man's time, man in a box. I had 12 and 15 over here. XO, why did I put 12? Wow, I don't remember because it wasn't supposed to be 12. It was supposed to be X and O. Now I'm trying to think, why did I put 12 and 15? Well, the reverse of O, 15, is 12. The reverse of X, okay, is 3 for C, creation. 3C. Okay, O, time. Okay, so Jack in a box is for the O time. O equals to water. Now I'm thinking as I'm going, because I don't remember why I put, and I'm not happy that I got rid of this picture, that it doesn't look as good as it is, right? But if this was a helicopter looking where to land on this pad or on this pad, it sees 2. Okay, because I'm going to stop fooling around. This was just supposed to be how I created Jack in the Box. Maybe I'll leave that for my second video, right? Maybe I was on solids and stripes and pool, right? The solid is in the center. The stripe is on the outside, meaning there's nothing in the center. You put a solid inside a stripe, and you got a stripe on a solid. Like elastic band around your head. So now we have Jack in a box. The X is the 24th letter, and the O, okay, is the 15th letter. Okay, that's a total of 1 and 5, 6, 2 and 4, 6. 66. Now I'm still trying to think why I have Jack in a box. Jack in a box. So I'm just trying to think of the word Jack. Jack in. Oh, right, I'm thinking of that 9 for his birth into the O world, right? And all 9 spots, okay, is what creates the box. Inside is the 1 dot. Inside is the circle where the X is performed, and the circle, or the O, meaning the total circumference of the 360 creation. 360 creation, X equaling to 24 equaling to 6. O equaling to 15 equal to 6. Okay, plus and minus equals 6, and multiplied and plus equals 6, 5, and 6, 8. Now we have the reverse of this, is L, 12, and C, 3. 3, 6, 3, 6. Okay, creation of the 360 degrees. Anyways, there's two 360 degrees. Did everybody understand why Jackson 5? Maybe I'm going to end it right now and explain to you Jackson 5, maybe on this little piece of paper. Okay, we automatically have 1 between 2 equaling to 3. Okay, the lowest number is 2. The total number of the high and the low is 5, meaning the reflection of the situation will leave you with 1 and 2, and the reflection will give you 5. 3 and 2, 5. And 1 and 4, 5. Top to bottom, top to bottom. Now we can create it. N, Z. You want to go 5 and 8. The original numbers we started with, if I remember, from the book, is 5 and 8. Okay, why 5 and 8? 5 and 8. Silver is 85. Gold is 38. 5 and 8. Now, where did I come to in this design? Yes, 5 and 8. Over here. And 3 and 8. 3 and 8, 6 and 8, 5. Anyways. Gornish talk. Gornish talk. I don't like the video anymore. I was trying to show you exactly Jack in the Box, and I ended up going off topic. So now I got to put the video with a different explanation on how I got the things, and then get real serious and do another one. I seem to go off and tell different stories, right? Is this a flag? Is this two buildings joined together? See the Y, see the V? Should we have two buildings side by side, which will create the W? If I put the side by side, I get the W. In this, I get the L. I get the length of the building, of the side of the building, and then I get the front of the building, or I get the front of the building and then I get the side of the building. So that would be your L. Everything is going to explain to you a different situation. Now sometimes you see 0 and you see it this high. You see a small o, maybe it's talking about one building. You see a big O, or right, or an 8, maybe it's talking about the other building. So I'd like to get into the next video, or maybe I'm going to put it in this video. Right, here's my 8. If you ever really look at an 8 card and it's thick, it overlaps. The pen will overlap the center. So really it should look like this. When you put your squares to the 5 position, always start in the middle. Put your squares to the 5 position, to the position in between, and to the 5 position. Here is a half-life. Here is a half-life. The 6 cube. And I repeat this all the time. Why? Until I get it right for me. Me. Who counts? Me. Until I get it right, whatever I share cannot have any bearing on any situation unless I can prove to myself that I've done it in a way where I can understand that I would believe myself. Right now, sometimes when I speak, I don't believe myself. Why do I always look like Mickey Mouse? That would be so hilarious. Me coming in, showing some stuff that helps us reunite, and I look like Mickey Mouse, like it's a children's show. I'm starting to like this even more. I even feel, look, I'm like Mickey Mouse. Look, I'm like Mickey Mouse. Oh my God, this is so cool. Even the kids would enjoy it. Raphael, 7286 in the constellation of Pegasus. Just keep doing the art and figuring it out time after time. Thank you for watching this video.